If you want to cancel your Pinterest subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Then, find and click on the settings option in the menu. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the settings menu, look for the billing or subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email or notification. Check your email to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Pinterest subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance.